Hello guys, today we'll talk about father of genetics, that's Gregor Mendel, and the genetic laws that he did. So in this case, we need to remember a few things like genotype, phenotype, allele, homozygous, heterozygous individual. And before we go there, I wanted to remind you that God made us. He created us with all the characteristics that we have, the characteristics that we see and the one that we are not able to see. And if you go and check your Bibles in Psalms 139:13, you can see that God knows us and He created each one of us inside of our mother womb. So, the things that we cannot see with our eyes are the genotype. That means the genes that we have inside of our bodies. The alleles, for example, here we have B and B, that this is an heterozygous individual. I'm sorry, this is an homozygous individual. And then here we have here V, capital V, and V lower b, or small b. This is the heterozygous individual. Then the phenotype is what we observe with our eyes. For example, here we observe this flower is purple, this flower is purple, but this flower is white. That is the phenotype. So let's start with the representation of the alleles. So we need to remember that we have dominant and recessive alleles. The dominant alleles are going to be represented by capital letters, while the recessive alleles are going to be represented by lowercase letter or small letters. And this is very important for Mendel and for the laws that we are going to be studying now. So Mendel studied peas and he studied few characteristics of them. In the first law of Mendel, he used pure seeds and he used just one of the characteristics. He could use the color of the flower of the pea, the texture of the pea, the color of the pea. And what he obtained always that he did this mixture between pure seeds is the same seed at the end. In this case, we're going to see an example of that. But when we have two alleles that are different, always the dominant allele, or the one that is represented by capital letter, is the one that is going to be observed in the phenotype. So here we have two originals or pure seeds. P and P meaning purple, P and P lower meaning white. If we mix and put this in the Punnett square, P and P, we separate the alleles, P and P, we separate the alleles. Now we multiply P by P, P by P, P by P, P by P. All the seeds are PP, all the seeds are purple. So what it means is that the phenotype, okay, the phenotype of these seeds is purple. And the genotype of these seeds is PP. So phenotype purple, genotype PP. 100% of the seeds are purple, 100% of the seeds have P and P as genotype, as you observe right here. Another example. This is, we are talking here about the color of the flowers. But then here we observe the color of the seeds. So in this case, in the first law of Mendel, we need to remember that Mendel is using just one characteristic of the seed, in this case, the color. So the seeds here are yellow, yellow, and yellow is represented by YY, what it means that yellow is the dominant characteristics. And then we have green that is represented by lowercase letter y. So all the seeds that we observe, that means phenotype, all the seeds are going to be are yellow. And in genotype is what we don't observe with a simple, just with our eyes, naked eyes, but we observe here Y and Y. That is the genotype of all the seeds. So 100% are yellow and 100% are Y and Y. So now I'll be sharing with you another screen, and we are going to be doing a few examples of this so you can learn a little bit more. And if you have questions, you will be able to ask them. But if you have questions now, please let me know, guys. So here we have an example. It says, in cats, long hair is recessive to short hair. A true breeding homozygous short hair male is made to a long hair female. I'm sorry. What will their cats look like? So first thing we need to put what we have. So we have here the cat long hair is recessive. So long hair, we're going to represent it with the letters LL, okay? And then it says recessive hair or short hair, I'm sorry, short hair is dominant. So short hair is dominant. So let's put LL capital letters. So now we have the alleles. So I'm going to write the alleles up here for long hair L and L. That means that I separate the alleles that we found here. So short hair will go here, and the other allele will go here, and long hair goes here, one allele, and the other allele goes here. So now here will we go, I'm sorry, here we have long hair, yeah. Now we multiply letters. So L by L, 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 L by L, again L, capital, L lower. Here, same thing, L, 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 L. So what will their kittens look like? All the kittens look like LL. L is capital letter, dominant. All the kitten answer, all the kittens are or have, sorry, they have long hair, short hair, I'm sorry. All the kittens have short hair because short hair is dominant. So that's it about Mendel law of the first law of Mendel. We'll be talking about other laws of Mendel in our next class. Have a good day, guys.